Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide and show ribbon on Excel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Excel ribbon is the area at the top of the worksheet that contains most of the frequently used commands. But what if you don't want to show the ribbon? So it's so simple. Or do you not see the ribbon and you want to get it back? So it's so simple. If you want to hide the ribbon, you can tap on here. There is an option. There is a ribbon settings on there. You can just click on there. There is an option hide ribbon, auto hide. You can just tap on that. Choose on hide ribbon if you want to hide the ribbon menu. And then if you want to show again, you can just tap on the icon again, on this ribbon icon again, and you can choose on show and all comment. So the ribbon will become big like this. You can also choose show tabs, so only the tabs that showing on your Excel like this. If you want to show the comments, you can just tap on the tabs like this. You can see. And if you want to hide it again, or if we want to show tabs and comment all the time, you can choose on show tabs all the time and comment all the time like this. So it will turns out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to show and hide ribbons on Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!